Welcome to our guide on writing effective standard operating procedures, or SOPs, in the pharmaceutical industry. I'm your name, and today we'll walk you through the essential steps to create clear, concise, and compliant SOPs that will streamline your operations and ensure regulatory compliance. We'll cover 5 key chapters to help you master this crucial skill. In the pharmaceutical industry, standard operating procedures are more than just documents. They're the backbone of quality control and regulatory compliance. Let's break down why SOPs are so crucial. First, SOPs provide a standardized approach to tasks, ensuring consistency and reducing errors. This is especially important in pharmaceutical manufacturing, where precision is paramount. Second, SOPs are a key component of good manufacturing practices, or GMP. They demonstrate to regulatory bodies that your company has established and follows proper procedures. Third, well-written SOPs serve as training tools, helping new employees quickly learn and adhere to established processes. Lastly, in case of audits or investigations, SOPs provide documented evidence of your company's commitment to quality and safety. The consequences of poorly written or non-existent SOPs can be severe. They can lead to product quality issues, regulatory non-compliance, and even safety risks. In extreme cases, this could result in product recalls, legal liabilities, or damage to your company's reputation. Before you start writing, proper planning is essential. Here's how to approach it. Begin by identifying the need for a new SOP or revising an existing one. This could be due to changes in regulations, processes, or equipment. Next, gather all necessary information and resources. This includes relevant regulations, existing procedures, and input from subject matter experts. Determine the scope and objectives of the SOP. What specific process or task will it cover? What are the desired outcomes? Identify key stakeholders and subject matter experts who should be involved in the development and review process. Their input will be invaluable in creating a comprehensive and accurate SOP. Finally, create an outline of the procedure. This will serve as your roadmap as you write the SOP, ensuring you cover all necessary steps and information. Remember, thorough planning at this stage will make the writing process much smoother and result in a more effective SOP. Now that we've planned our SOP, let's dive into the writing process. The key here is clarity and precision. Use clear, concise, and action-oriented language. Avoid ambiguity and jargon that might confuse the reader. Each step should be clearly defined and easy to follow. Structure your SOP with standard sections such as purpose, scope, responsibilities, materials, and procedure. This organization helps readers quickly find the information they need. Include relevant details without overcomplicating the procedure. Strike a balance between being comprehensive and being concise. Where appropriate, incorporate visuals such as flowcharts or diagrams. These can often convey complex processes more clearly than text alone. Don't forget to address potential deviations and corrective actions. What should an operator do if something doesn't go as planned? Including this information can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. The format and organization of your SOP are crucial for its usability and effectiveness. Choose an appropriate format based on the complexity of the procedure. This could be a simple step-by-step format, a hierarchical format for more complex procedures, or a flowchart for processes with multiple decision points. Use consistent terminology and abbreviations throughout the document. If necessary, include a glossary of terms. Implement proper numbering and version control. This helps track revisions and ensures everyone is working from the most current version. Include necessary metadata such as approval dates, review cycles, and document owners. This information is crucial for maintaining the SOP over time. Ensure the SOP is accessible and readable. Use appropriate font sizes, white space, and headings to improve readability. Remember, a well-formatted SOP is more likely to be read, understood, and followed correctly. The final stage in creating an effective SOP involves review, approval, and implementation. Conduct thorough reviews with relevant stakeholders and subject matter experts. Their diverse perspectives can help identify potential issues or improvements. Address and incorporate all feedback. This might involve multiple rounds of revisions, but it's crucial for creating a robust and effective SOP. Once the content is finalized, obtain necessary approvals. This typically involves sign-offs from quality assurance, department heads, and potentially regulatory affairs. Before implementing the new or revised SOP, ensure all relevant staff are trained on its contents. This training should be documented as part of your quality management system. Finally, implement the SOP and monitor its effectiveness. Be prepared to make adjustments if issues arise during real-world application. Writing effective SOPs is a critical skill in the pharmaceutical industry. By following these guidelines, from understanding the importance of SOPs through planning, writing, formatting, and implementation, you'll create SOPs that not only meet regulatory requirements, but also improve efficiency and consistency in your operations. Remember, well-written SOPs are living documents that should be regularly reviewed and updated. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your SOP writing. This script covers the key aspects of writing effective SOPs in the pharmaceutical industry within the 10-minute timeframe, divided into 5 focused chapters. It provides a comprehensive overview while maintaining an engaging and informative tone.